Hey guys, John Pro with Addison Riley. Find us on the web at addisonriley.com and 850-776-5009. I'm out here at a Hurricane Michael inspection, and I want to show you some things of why you don't always want to go with the cheapest bidder. Not only that, you also want to make sure you have a termite bond. So let's take a look and see what we have. We have a home that's completely damaged by the storm. Let me show you something else. Chris, give me a picture of this wall here. Now, this home suffered termite damage. Now, they had a roof put on after Hurricane Michael, and I always say never be a victim twice. So why don't we take a look up there at the top plate. So what we've done is we have someone who's come in here and put on a brand new roof. And you see that wood rod up there? None of that was replaced, which means the soffit and fascias are damaged as well. And we have this wall that shouldn't be supporting a roof at the moment. And just to make it better, we've got bricks blocking air from coming in, because apparently that's insulation now. And the other side of it is, it's not just here. It's not just the wall. Chris, why don't you turn directly behind you and show the wood rot right above that duct in the roof system. And we are looking at that area right there. And that area right there is plywood that has been damaged by weather. I'm going to show you one other section. I don't know if you can see it because the lighting might not be too good. We're just shooting this on the fly to show you. You've got termite damage. We know you've got termite damage. Let's do it properly. You see how this window here obviously was damaged. But look what the contractor did, or whoever did it. He didn't run the stud all the way from here. This is a structural member that's been cut right here and just piecemealed together. The bottom plate hasn't been replaced all the way through. And then here's a load-bearing wall. Excuse me, got my meter going off. A load-bearing wall has just been cut and piecemealed together, not strapped, nothing. So this is one of the things that we tell you guys, that when you have a job and something devastating has happened, it might not be the best thing to have a cheapest guy come out and give you a price, because guess what? The most expensive guy might be your cheapest guy. So find us on the web, guys, addisonriley.com, 776-5009.